No coughing, says the guy that's coughing the most out of everything. Good morning, everybody. Well. 3 holes in the ground. Look at this. Look, we are nearly there. Merlin slept underneath the stairs last night just to keep everything safe and secure. We nearly got there yesterday, but we've just got to adjust the bottom, just trim slightly. The concrete is a couple of millimetres higher there than it is there. So I blame you, Peter, if you're watching. Yeah, it's your fault somehow. Or Ross, or Dan, or anyone else that helped me at that point. I'm only joking. Today we are going to finish off, aren't we, Merlin?
Oh, yes.
And
we have to.
Hopefully, Helen's going to finish off upstairs, and we're going to have her upstairs, and she can be the first one that descends the staircase. So yes, right. Well, better get you outside and get you working, because you just stood around doing nothing. He's a slacker. He's a slacker, everyone. Right, come on. We've had to come down here because Merlin's already started using the multi-master, and he's making a lot of noise, and I've had to stick the truck on. So we are lit because it's nearly mid-winter, isn't it? And it's dark.
Yes. Yeah. And it's a cloudy day.
Yeah.
But it's dry, it's not raining.
Yeah, I can assure you that Dad did very, very well yesterday, and there's lots of stonework out there. You can't see it, but yeah, he has not been slacking, have you?
No, keep him going.
So what's your plan for today?
Well, finish off the stonework hopefully there, and then that's another section down for when you do your covered workshop, isn't it there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
yeah. What was that? A covered workshop? Spoilers.
Very spoiled. Not on the way.
Right, let's get on with it. Let's get some work done. Let's get work done in the dark. Dad can't see properly. It's still not light. This should sort him out. Is that better? You see, there's always a way to get your 76-year-old father working as quickly as possible on a quite a mild winter's morning.
Yep. Ah.
Okay, you folks, come with me. It's a bit exciting. There's a lot of excitement at the moment. We're going to pressure test the water main into the house. So I need to make the final connection to our external water main. It comes from the road, and yeah, fingers crossed. It's going to be a double win day. Kind of thought, should I leave it until next week, just in case there's a big leak? And I was like, no, let's have a stair win and a water main win at the same time. I need to thank whoever bought this for me on throne.com. It's made life very, very easy. Much appreciated. Look at that. Lovely clean cut.
Richard? So,
What's the problem?
what's the problem? You will see it.
How is there a gap like that?
A touch here, a touch at the end.
What? It's like
Too short.
8 millimeters. Something.
So, two options. Unfortunately, you have a razor coming here.
The riser can't change.
The razor can change.
No.
And I'm
Can't
perfectly...
change anything at the front.
No.
No, it's got to be filled. It's just, there's, I can see immediately, you can't, none of this can be changed because the
No.
riser's got to sit into here. Oh, mate.
Yes.
Yeah,
And it's square.
yeah. Okay. That's a shame, isn't it?
Hmm?
I mean, there's that covering piece there, isn't there? So it's not necessarily, And
Yes.
you would think it would be higher up as well. Don't know. All right. Well,
It's in.
well done, mate.
Ah.
Right.
Okay.
I'm going to just nip up these, and then I'm
Yes,
gonna
make
turn
sure
the
everything.
water main on. I am going to turn on the water. That's the primary place where we think it's going to leak. So
And I'm ready to run.
it's on test, so we're going to leave it on all day, and there is my main stopcock into the barn now, and I've just kind of put all the tap back there. I was going to lower it all down, but I just thought this is the quickest and simplest way of doing it. I'm going to have to build something around here and insulate it all to stop it freezing, so that's what my old work coat was for. Yeah, so yeah, fingers crossed for the end of the day, hey? Here she is, the belle of the ball. Here she is, we are all enthralled.
Look at this! It's so brilliant.
There we go.
Wow, we've got stairs.
Got stairs. Come on down. I've just made a cup of tea.
Excellent. I'm exhausted after coming down our new stairs.
What do you think?
They're amazing. It's so nice to come downstairs.
Yeah. There we go. No more ladders, just stairs. Now, are we painting the stairs or not?
I think...
What would you guys do? Let us know in the comments below, and you will find out what we've chosen to do later on. But yeah, I think I know what I would do.
Well, my thoughts are either we leave them, but then there's a lot that makes lots of different coloured woods, or we paint them anthracite to match the windows, or green to match some of our decor. Those are my two paint choices.
Don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. You'll get to see it all scraped, pointed and brushed off tomorrow. Well,
There we are. Another phase of the stonework done until I come next time.
can you believe this? He was here for a week. Look, he didn't get any of that done, everybody. It's very, very
Yeah.
disappointing. What
I
were you
know.
doing all week?
I know. Sack me. Sack me.
No, you can't be sacked. Look, look. Thanks, Dad.
That's too welcome. We've done well. We've done really well. Proud of you, mate.
Come on in, Charlie. Come on.
There as well.
Look,
Yeah.
I'm
this
there
is
as
it.
well.
The trio.
Yeah.
Three musketeers.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've done all right, mate. We've
Yeah.
done very well this week, but
Thank you very, very much, as always.
You're welcome.
Massive help.
getting the stairs in was a bonus.
Yeah, it was. So,
Yeah.
everybody, that's it. Dad is off back to England. It's only about a week and a half, and then it's going to be Christmas time. But I'm sure he's going to come back again. You
Yeah.
guys all seem to love him, and Mum as well. Maybe we can get Mum back out as well. So, like,
That's it.
subscribe, hype, and we will see you all next time. Bye.